Hey beauties, welcome back. It's your girl Steph J, and today we are doing a PR unboxing for Pixi for some new makeup or skincare that they might have sent me. But before we go any further, let me remind you to hit that bell, like, and subscribe if you love all things beauty and skincare. I don't know what she is, but let's take a look. Ooh. So we got 3 of their new lip balms. One of them is a regular lip balm with hyaluronic acid. This is their hydrating version. Another lip balm is tinted with avocado oil. So this is their replenishing version. The last one is also a tinted lip balm, and it's their smoothing version with Shea Butter. So we're gonna try all 3. This is clear. It kind of smells like mint. It's very faint, very slight. I do like how big the applicator is. I like the glisten that it's giving me. It's like a satin kind of finish. It's not too glossy, but it's okay for the everyday. Like this is nice. This is peachy. It is giving me a little bit of a tint, y'all, and I have ombre lips and it's giving me a tint. Feel like this would work, but I need to wear it with a brown liner. Peachy. This one is Scarlet. Red, y'all. Okay. She did not come to play. This is giving holiday look. Getting a holiday lip. This is a really, really bright color. I don't think I've ever worn a color this bright in my entire existence of life. Okay, I don't think that this is the most pleasant on my skin tone, but it is a beautiful color. I feel like this will look great on somebody with like fair to medium skin. This will pop on y'all. But for me, I don't think so. I will say that the color payoff for these Pixi lip balms is A1. I just need like a couple more shades for like the chocolate girls, but this is great. Take this back to lab. This is wonderful. Let me know if you would try a lip balm from this collection, and let me know which one is your favorite down below. If you found this video at all helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.